Well, look at that. Rob's lovely yellow FN2 in the house. It's had a few bits and bobs changed since we last seen it, but today's mandate is to tune it and to make some more noise. He wants more flames and more pops and bangs, so Richard's going to do his best. So let's see how we get on.
Mention what?
I've got my yellow shirt on because it's a yellow car.
Oh, okay.
I knew it was coming because I put it in the diary.
Oh, did you? Okay, cool. Just looking for what jacket you were wearing, but it wasn't you.
It wasn't in black.
It wasn't your Hitler one. No, it
No.
was your what's it one? Right. Well, lovely yellow FN2.
We've seen it before.
Yeah, I've seen it before. So we've just basically map tweak. The engine let go before, so it's obviously had I think it had a big end bearing go. I think, to remember, if I remember correctly.
Yeah.
So a replacement engine. So we're obviously tuned to do to basically obviously go with this engine. So we've made about the same parts. It's got the same mods. So nothing really expected there. Customer has to glow the pops and bangs a little bit, so he wasn't having to thrash it so much for his pops and bangs, so we've done that as well.
You lowered the cold start a little bit, didn't you?
Yeah, I lowered the cold start as well, so it's not booming away too much, because these tend to tick over around 1800 on cold start, so we've adjusted that down a little bit for him as well. Yeah, all went well.
Did? Yeah, lovely car.
So
really brightened my mood up because it's so yellow and lovely. and it needs brightening up, I tell you.
Yeah, in case he hadn't mentioned it, he's been in Amadi all week.
But I'm not cold today.
Yeah, he's not cold today though. That's something to write down, that is.
Mark today's date.
Yeah, mark today's date. Dan said he wasn't cold.
I'm not cold.
Right, shall we have a look at this graph?
That's because I've got brain damage and stress. Yeah, let's look at the graph. Well, as you can see, we've got a starting point from today, which is the red line, and the blue line is as we finish, exactly as we expected. Just shy of 220 brakes, so we'll call it that 219.1 I'm calling it 220 brake. But there you go, another one in the bag, guys. So thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. Today's code word is obviously yellow, so bang that in the comments below. Like and subscribe and all that jazz, and we shall see you on the next one, won't we, Richard? Hey Rich, can I have another photograph of it in front of the wall, please?
No. You have one.
Before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.